Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Thursday. We are back and Bitcoin had a bit of a crazy day yesterday. We had a bunch of volatility going on here. Um, but that did lead to the price fighting to keep above this trend. It did break over and now we're just trying to hold and get back into that longer uptrend momentum. So that could be exciting if it does indeed hold. Speaking of that volatility yesterday, I kind of ruined me over here on Ethereum a little bit. I was talking about entering this short here. I probably should have just not done it at all. But yeah, I had this crazy run up, just blasted my stop immediately. I saw that and I thought, okay, the energy shifted. We're going up. We broke this resistance. All right, let's get in on this retest of the support zone. So I did with this long. Almost immediately got stopped out as well on my long position. You could say maybe I could have made my stop loss a little roomier, so maybe I wouldn't have got stopped out, but even then my profit target wouldn't have got hit. So both trades did not work out as bad. I think the main lesson here at this one is I was working with this middle zone here, and that's something you probably shouldn't be doing. With my strategy, I like to work with the tops and the bottoms more, and the zones that are a little stronger and not so easily crossed, and not the zones that aren't as respected, like this one here. So yeah, that was not fun, but even Ethereum hasn't broken its trend, its downtrend here. It's really struggling. Even with this volatility spike, it popped over, but it was immediately pushed back down. So I just think it's kind of interesting how Bitcoin managed to break its downtrend, but Ethereum's struggling to do so. So one watch today on crypto. This is ONT. I actually think this is more of a daily time frame watch, because they're actually down here. So you have this zone here. It's pretty big one. I normally don't like big ones when I'm trading on the 1 hour, because there's so much room to bounce around inside of them. On the hourly, like you can see here. And so like when you place an order on one side or the other, your stop's going to be way on the other side, which means your profit's going to be even bigger. So you're going to be waiting for a while. So I think this zone makes a little more sense on the daily chart. So I might sit and wait for this to have a break on the daily before I put a trade in. So be watching this for the next day or two and see if we can get into a break and retest long. But yeah, it's something I'm working on, trying to get a little more confirmation on the time frames, especially when I have big zones like this that make more sense on the daily than they do on the hourly, when you're spending hours here moving sideways within the zone. So let's move on to Forex. We got 0 AUD trader still in. It's not looking too hot. Yeah, I don't know. This I think is a pretty good zone. It's been respected for a few months now as a support, but we are in a downtrend, so that could be why we are finally looking to break it. But we'll just wait and see there. USD we still got this one, even though I'm not even in this trade. I don't know if it's going to go anywhere. It might just keep moving sideways as it bounces against this. But we'll watch for it to eventually break this trend or follow it up back through the resistance here. And AUD we are in this one. This is a welcome sight of profitable trades so far. I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, I mean it's gotta make a higher high here before we can expect it to move higher. But we do like to see it still continuing its uptrend. This recent low here is still a higher low, so we're hopeful. CAD, CHF, nothing going on there. I'll probably put this to the bottom of the chart, bottom of the watch list. Euro CAD, I just bring this one up because yesterday I was looking for it to break this zone, ultimately failed. So yeah, no break and retest for long with that one. AUD CAD, this one possibly not a big enough or convincing enough of a break. And I'm wondering if this zone, now I look at it, yeah, could this be a daily zone? I mean, it's more, I don't know. This one is a little more recent. I don't know if I would consider it a daily zone, maybe. And if that's the case, we just got a wick above the zone and nothing else. So that may be why this one ultimately does not work out in my favor. But hopefully that's not the case. Anyway, that looks like all we've got for today. So thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are trading. Anything that you guys are learning on TA charts. I'm trying to build a community to kind of share ideas here, so it'd be awesome. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.